All right, so we have a shape here inside of a shape. It says find the area of the shaded region. That means I got to think about this. To get that shaded region, I'm going to need to take the rectangle and subtract the triangle away from it. All right, so I got to do that little bit of thinking. And then again, before you start any of these problems with numbers in terms of dimensions, I've got feet, but I have inches, which means that those are not all the same. So I got to do some converting here. Now, most problems will tell you what they want the final answer in. So this thing says to the nearest square inch. That means that everything has to be in inches. One of the biggest problems that happens in all of this area volume stuff is that people want to try to convert at the end. You cannot convert at the end unless you really understand what's going on with the units, and I very rarely see anybody get it right. So probably you're not going to be able to get it right. Convert the units in the beginning before you start the problem. That's why when I start doing the volume, I'll say first step, check all the units. Okay, check all the units. So I need to convert 1 foot, 12 inches, 1.25 feet into X inches. That should be 16, I think. 15. So X equals 15 inches. So there's one unit converted. And then 1 foot, 12 inches, 3 feet, X inches. So 36 is the other units. So now I'm going to get my picture all labeled here. So BG is 15. MH is 18. And HT from here to here is 36. So my rectangle is base times height, which is 18 times 36, which is 684. And then my triangle, half base times height. The base of the triangle is going to be 36, and the height is 15. So it's going to be 1/2 times 36 times 15. $270. And then in the very beginning, before I started, I thought about it, and I said I needed to do rectangle minus triangle. And I did times 414. So the shaded area of that shape is 414.